Orange is slow dry. You can't rush perfection. Yellow sprays blue, dries white. Red is fast, dry, and guaranteed to give you a headache. Got a hole? Yeah, let's fix it. Backfill it with 5-minute mud. Oh yeah. Scrape it. Scrape it. Skim it again. Smooth as butter. Use a wet rag and fade it like your daddy's haircut. Soak your texture in hot water. Trust me, it will spray better. Adjust the size of the splatter. Test it on a shoebox lid, son. Spray your texture through the shoebox. Yes, I know. Pretty cool. Don't forget to prime and please subscribe.